Hello everyone, today we will talk about Windows 8 or 8.1. How can you restart and turn off your computer? Some people and buddies are new on Windows 8.1 and on Windows 8. They don't know how to restart and how to turn off shut down the Windows 8.1 and Windows 8. So let's start. Here is the start icon. You can see, click on start, and on right side up there is power button. Here you can see, where is my mouse cursor? Here you can see, click on power, restart and shut down. You can see, very easy. And second, you can go back on desktop, take your mouse cursor at right bottom. Here, where is my mouse cursor and finger? Here the dialog box pop up. Go to setting, power, restart, shut down. There is two very easy way to shut down and restart your Windows 8 and 8.1. Hope this video will help you. Take care. Bye. If any queries and question, you can ask in comment.